Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on
Hey babes, it's Deme B or welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a room tour from my stay at the Hilton Los Cabos Beach and Golf Resort. We'll be doing a tour of room 4064 and it's an Oceanview King Bed Deluxe with a balcony. This cost me about 75,000 Hilton Honors Points per night. Checked in, you already changed, and we're by the pool. Well, we're by the hot tub slash pool slash bar. About to get some food. We have about an hour and a half before this closes down, so we're gonna make the most of it. This is my bikini. ASOS, Shein. The wrap is vintage. Still got my brand in black with bag because it just goes with everything. Hot tub time. I hope you enjoyed this room tour. If you have any questions about my stay at the Hilton Los Cabos Beach and Golf Resort, make sure you drop them down below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, babes, travel the world.